Hello, in this video I will show you how to add crypto on MetaMask. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is, you have to just simply open your browser, then open your MetaMask. After that, just simply click on the buy option right over here and you can buy mostly any type of crypto that you want. So it will open the MetaMask portfolio page and over here you will be able to see all the crypto that you can buy from MetaMask. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to connect your MetaMask wallet. So just simply click on connect wallet right over here and then a pop-up will appear. Then all you have to do is just simply click on connect right over here and then within few seconds your MetaMask wallet will be connected with this particular platform. Now in order to buy crypto, or you will just simply choose buy or sell. As you can see right over here, you will have both the options. Then you can just simply choose your payment method right over here. Now depending on the payment method, there will be a lot of crypto available, and depending on the payment method, there might be a lot of crypto that are not available. So just choose your payment method properly. Now what you have to do is, after you've chosen a payment method, click on this option and then you will be able to see all the crypto that is available right over here that you can buy. So as you can see, most of the crypto are available over here to buy. All you have to do is simply choose any one of them. All you have to do is simply enter the amount of crypto that you want to buy like this, or you can also type it right over here. It's totally up to you. Then complete the transaction on a different platform, whichever platform may refer. Simply click on that particular platform and complete the transaction. Like for this particular crypto, it is going to redirect us into Coinbase, as you can see right over here. And in Coinbase, we have to complete the transaction. Now, once we will complete all the transactions, within few minutes, as you can see right over here, within 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the payment method that you used, your crypto will be shown into MetaMask wallet, as you can see right over here. Now, there are other ways that you can add crypto in your MetaMask. Like for example, you can receive crypto. So choose the receive option and then you will be given this particular barcode or this particular address down below. Click on this address and the address will be copied. Now just simply give the address to any person or just simply add a crypto from another wallet. Using this address, all you have to do is simply choose the crypto that you want to send over here, then paste your address and then complete the transaction. Let me show you an example. So if I open Binance over here and then if I want to send any crypto from here to MetaMask, so all you have to do is just go to asset, then overview. Then after that, just click on the withdraw option right over here. Choose the crypto that you want to withdraw. Like in this case, it's going to be USDT. After that, just paste the address. Then select a network right over here. And then just enter the amount that you would like to transfer. And then click on withdraw. Now make sure to choose the proper network right over here, because if you will choose the wrong network, you will lose your crypto forever. So just simply choose a proper network. And as you can see, I don't have sufficient amount to transfer, but if you will have sufficient amount to transfer, after clicking on withdraw, your crypto from Binance will be transferred to MetaMask. So that's the second way how you can add crypto to your MetaMask account. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.